something history would always remember in golden words. The province has its own history, culture, and Allah Almighty has blessed the province with infinite natural resources, which, if we come to count it, runs into trillions and trillions of dollars. But unfortunately, as I speak, those great natural resources of our wealth are still hidden and buried under tons of mud and mountains. And unfortunately, what has happened in the last few years, rather spanning over more than a decade, is something, a matter of self-introspection. Ladies and gentlemen, Balochistan has always taken pride in its values, culture, as I said, and Baloch people have always been very, very generous in promoting those segments of society who either migrated to Quetta and other places or were living there from ages. Pashtuns, of course, are part of Balochistan.